DJI has just released the white edition of the Pocket 2. It is a bit disappointing that the white edition doesn't come as a combo, like how the black edition is coming. DJI Pocket 2 White Edition comes just as a basic camera plus a wireless module and the mini control stick, two connectors, and then the strap and then a long strap. The mic is not included and the tripod is not included. Maybe DJI will take a bit more time to paint the white color on the tripod and the mic. Maybe that can be a reason why it's not released upon the launching. So anyhow, we can expect the tripod and mic in white color soon. That can be nice if the wireless mic comes in a white, because if I am wearing a white t-shirt and if the mic is white, that will be better. And second thing, I was just wondering why it is called sunset white. The sunset is not white at all. Maybe the white color can be little bit reddish. Maybe that can be a reason. And I was keep on waiting for the video, and I just noticed the tripod and mic is not included. The surprise thing is just a long cable, and it's called DJI Pocket 2 sling strap, and the box comes as a long box comparing to the DJI Pocket 2 all-in-one. It was a box just like the iPhone, and now in DJI Pocket 2 White the box comes as a long one, well packed. And it's well packed, and the wireless module is here. Yeah, it looks nice, and it's not like a reddish white, but I can see that it's the white color is slightly reddish. Maybe that can be called sunset white. And the DJI Pocket 2, it's not bad. And again, the cable, surprisingly cable is black, it's not white, and the connectors are here. The both connectors comes in white color, and the control stick also in white. So let's connect the control stick and turn it on. And then there is the long sling strap, and nothing more, that's it. So this is all. DJI Pocket 2 Creative Combo or DJI Pocket 2 Sunset White. Definitely DJI Pocket 2 Black Creative Combo, because DJI Pocket 2 White Edition doesn't come with the mic and tripod. It just comes in a basic module, wireless module, and the control stick and the two connectors. So it's not worth to spend that much money and buying the tripod and wireless mic additionally.